Pranam doll, how are you? I hope you're all fine. This plant is known as the spider plant, also chlorophyllum. Growing this plant is perfect for beginners and great for indoor fresh air. Why is it called as an air purifier? Because it removes toxins from the air. Along with that, it is pet friendly, safe for dogs and cats. It produces baby plants. And even if you forget watering for some days, it still grows. It improves humidity, keeps indoor air moist, good for skin and breathing in winter. Grows in both sunlight and shade. Doesn't demand strict lighting. We all know that one animal which changes its color, right? I mean, not kind of an animal but a reptile. It's a chameleon. As we all know, it changes its color according to its mood. Same with spider plant. When stressed, too much light or lack of nutrients, the leaf may turn lighter green or yellow, but the plant still tries to produce babies. It's survival strategy. Now you all know that the spider plant is not only ordinary but also very unique. Now you're much familiar with the spider plant. But we come across one more last question. Why is it called a spider plant? Because these plantlets have long thin leaves that look like tiny spider with legs. Now finally let's talk about its main care. With these tips you can know how to keep a plant good in winter as well. Winter slows down growth, so give gentle care. Watering. Water only when topsoil is 50% dry. Overwatering causes root rot in winter. Use normal tap water or sun-heated water as well. The temperature is the most important. Protect from below 10 degrees Celsius and frost. In winter season in Delhi, the temperature goes below 5 degrees Celsius. So you can keep a plant indoors. Humidity. Winter dryness can curl the leaves. Mist likely 2 to 3 times a week. But do not keep leaves constantly wet. Fertilizer. Do not give much fertilizer in winter. Very little liquid fertilizer once in 45 to 60 days is enough. Resume normal feeding in summer. Brown tip problem. Common in winter due to dry air or tap water chlorine. Trim dry tips. Do not cut green part. Use filtered or stored overnight water. For faster growth, you can add 1 spoon neem khol powder per pot once in winter. Protects from soil fungus. Keep 1 garlic clove in the soil for 15 days. Deters insects naturally. When you start maintaining these tips, then your plant will be healthy in winter as well. I also wanted to tell you one thing. The plants that we are showing you constantly are the baby plants. These baby plants were produced by the mother plant. And the baby plant became so mature that they also started to produce baby plants. If your baby plant also produces baby plants, then you can reproduce them again. The mother plant was in a very bad condition. Hope after following these tips, your plant will become healthy again. If you have any more queries, you can comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. Share this video to anyone who needs it. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.